Hi guys, magandang araw. Ngayon nandito tayo sa Nuuk, Greenland. Hey! Ang saya dito!
Greenland, the best!
Wow! Ang laki! Oh! Where's the tail? Yes! Wow! You know!
3, 2, 1.
What is up guys? So ito na nga po kami, nasa Nuuk pa din po kami. Hindi na nga po kami nakapag-flight ngayong araw. At ngayon pupunta tayo sa Bubble Tea House. Titikman natin yung kanilang mga Filipino food doon na sinaserve. Kasi di tayo taga dito at recommended din naman yung lugar na yon. At kasama din sa ticket ng airport kasi may libreng pagkain from the airport. It sounds funny pero hindi, nakakatawa talaga ang sitwasyon kasi hindi ito yung plano namin. Hindi kami bumiyahe ng ganito kalayo para lang hindi namin napuntahan talaga yung point destination na pupuntahan namin. But once again, sabi nga namin, hindi yan ang sisira sa aming araw. Siyempre, gusto namin na maging positive pa rin sa lahat ng lugar at pupuntahan namin at gagawin namin. Itong may-ari ng Bubble Tea House is one of our follower. Lehitimong taga rito na sila. At ngayon, titikman natin yung kanilang putahe. We'll see kung ano ba yung matitikman natin doon sa kanilang restaurant. Sabi ng driver natin kanina na si Kuya Ding, bawat bahay daw malalaman mo kung ano yung mga trabaho ng mga taga dito. May dilaw, may green, violet, makulay ang kanilang bahay. So ibig sabihin, alam mo na agad ang profession nila, ano? Tapos nakaka-amaze ang ganda ng kanilang kulungan dito. Solid din guys yung kanilang pagtrato kahit criminals. May malaking establishment din sila dito. Nuuk Center. Shopping area pala yan, boss eh. Tabi tayo dito. Ayun siya oh. Bubble Tea House.
Yan mismo.
Yan mismo.
Yung may sakura.
Yes. Ang ganda ng lugar, no? Tara, let's go inside to the Bubble Tea House. Balita ako mga ka-Watermax, yung may-ari nito is follower natin. Tsaka Pinoy. It's open, sabi sa Google eh.
Hi!
Hello!
Hello sir, Watermax.
Hello! Oh, kilala pa tayo na sir eh.
Welcome to Greenland po.
Oh, thank you.
They have sabaw, they have kanin.
Oh, di ba? Nagdala ako ng mga customer.
Okay lang po, welcome to Nuuk po.
Thank you, thank you. Kayo nagko-comment sa akin, sir, no? Ah, meron. Nagdala ako ng sticker para sa'yo, pare.
Yeah, they have...
Ikaw pa, daming pagkain dito.
Marlo.
Filipino food. Welcome po mga kabayan. Welcome po kayo sa restaurant ng ating kababayan. Pinoy ang may-ari nito. May adobo. Ay, hello ma'am.
Hello po.
Our friend,
Ay, bossing.
followers.
Ay, naku.
Wala, gusto po.
Ako po. Gagandang lalaki ng kababayan natin dito eh, no?
Siya po yung owner.
Welcome po, kabayan.
Kabayan natin.
Tonight, pagluluto po namin kayo ng reindeer.
Uy!
Tsaka matak.
Uy!
Ay, whale.
Magkano yun?
Ano yun?
Naku, nakakahiya naman po.
Kami yung sir, Alfred yung nag-message sa'yo.
Oo nga eh, hindi ko nababasa yung message eh. Guys, so dito kami sa Bubble Tea House. Kasama natin yung poging-poging may-ari ng Bubble Tea House. Ayan, no?
Followers.
Boss.
Happy ako, nakita kita sir.
Ay, mas happy ako, boss.
Number 1 followers to eh.
Ay, talaga po. Thank you po. Thank you. May dala ako sticker, sir.
Ayos.
Kahapon pa sila nagme-message sa akin.
Top of the world tayo eh.
Puro aeroplano na nga po yung nangyari sa amin, bossing. Anong pangalan mo, sir?
JM.
JM, Alfred.
Alfred, yes, siyempre.
Alam nyo guys kasi, yung mga sticker ko, may load to. Pag may sticker kang ganito, may free dinner kayo mamaya.
Ayun.
Oh, yun.
Oh, ito na yung bayad ko, boss.
Sir, thank you ha.
Opo, welcome, welcome. O, sir, pinagdala talaga kita.
Greenland ba to ha?
Oh, from Greenland, dinala ko pa dito.
Firma natin kay sir.
Ay, nako, dahil firma. Nako, mahal yan.
Oo, mas mahal to no?
Oo, mahal.
Pero alam to.
Hikip lang, ha?
Siyempre, dapat mamaya magpapapicture tayo.
Uy, oo, dapat meron.
Actually, na-encourage kami bumili ng mga motor eh, dahil sa mga katulad din sa atin.
Kasalanan ko pala, boss.
Hindi!
Ay,
Ang gandang tulong sa amin actually.
Ay,
Kapag-invest.
thank you. Firma lang ba? Lagyan ko pa ng date?
Lagyan mo na lang din ng Nuuk search sa date para
Sige.
sticker to eh. Dito basta Pilipinas lang eh. Pakita ko sa mga ibang kababayan. Idol din si Sir. No? Solid.
Damihan ko na. Para sa ibang followers natin na nandito. Ito lang yung dala ko. Bigay ko na lahat. Thank you, bossing. Picture tayo, bossing.
nice.
Yun. Thank you, Bubble Tea House. Yan. Yay! thank you, bro. Okay guys, kakain lang kami. Ito yung order ni Ella. Ito, mami, ang sarap nito. Pag nahigop mo, mamimiss mo umuwi ng Pilipinas. Nag-order kayo ng ganito?
Hindi.
Iba sa inyo? Japanese.
Hindi pwede.
Sarap. Gabi talaga yung ginamit nila. Oh. Sinigang na hipon na may gabi. Sarap. Perfect, mami. Ganyan yung gusto kong sinigang. Kaya masarap yung luto kapangpangan yung nagluluto. No? Kapangpangan sila eh. Kapangpangan kusina. It's okay kumain na kami kasi mawawala yung init eh.
This one?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, you try it. It's so good.
Pag nag-travel, we need rice kasi napapagod kami. Ito, must try itong sisig kasi sisig kapangpangan to. This kind of food is our most Filipinos' favorite food. We call it sinigang. And this one is Pampanga's best delicacy, the sisig, also Filipino. It's not a traditional food, but it's originally, yeah, you try it.
Yeah, you try.
It's so good. You want to try this? Get the shrimp. You try it. The soup, it's a little bit, what you call it, sour. It's sinigang. We call it sinigang na hipon. It's good.
Yeah.
Tourist visitor in Philippines, they like adobo, sinigang. You must try when you go to Philippines.
Have you been there?
No, no.
You should visit Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah. I like the weather.
Weather is so
I like
good.
sunshine.
Every Filipinos are very happy. Even though there's a problem, look at them, they're so happy. They're still laughing. They laugh at the pace of the problem.
That's why we were happy even though the flight was cancelled.
Yeah, the flight is cancelled, but still laughing.
Our luggage is lost, but still, right?
Yeah.
You should try this. More soup for you. Okay. Usually the sisig came from the mascara and tenga.
Nagustuhan niyo.
Sisig. You get more sisig. In Philippines, we have so much variety of foods that you should try. Every province has their own specialty.
If I go to Philippines, I need visa, right?
Visa.
Visa?
You don't need.
No.
The weather in Philippines is hot and hotter.
Yeah.
Ayan, grabe guys, nabusog kami. Naubos namin, no? Ubos. Si Ella, ubos din. Bihira, gumusto ng pagkain si Ella eh. So, kapag nagustuhan niya yung Filipino food na yun, I'm sure masarap yan. Masarap ba, boss? Oh, masarap daw. Filipino food, recommended dito talaga. It's my first time to eat reindeer. They're gonna cook for us.
Pepper, do you like some coffee?
Coffee? Sige, please. Oo, gusto ko yan.
Kayo po.
Okay na.
Ako lang ang nicotine yan.
Ayun, okay.
Kaya ako yung booster niya. Kape yung inalok sa akin, kahinaan ko yun eh. Pure coffee, black coffee lang. Apa. Thank you, thank you. Nagsisig, you don't eat talaga? Wow. Or dito, try mo ha. Coffee naman tayo mga pre. Ang sarap ng food. Alis na nga kami. Ginamit namin yung stub namin from the airport kasi nga na-delay kami ng flight. Mamayang gabi dito ulit kami at mag-video daw kami with the Filipino friends.
Hi, sir.
Bye-bye!
Water Max.
Yun, no? See you later! We'll be back. At kakain kami ng reindeer. Bye-bye! Thank you! You're a good driver. I know the Formula driver like you. We call that a late braking.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just like
in the
Daniel
split
Ricciardo.
seconds. Yeah. Because you have to consider the driver at the back.
Yep.
Yeah. You know the guy on your back? He's president of a sports cars in Philippines. He owns a lots of sports car. I mean,
What
yeah.
sports cars?
You have Mustang, you have Bugatti, Ferrari, name it. You have 40 pieces of sports cars.
So he also knows who Lewis Hamilton is. So he has a contact with Lewis Hamilton.
Yeah, yeah. He is a friend. His name is King.
I know other big star from the Philippines.
Oh, who?
Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah. My friend, Manny Pacquiao.
Your friend.
Yeah, he's my friend. You want to see a
I
picture?
used to train him.
Oh. Let's go, Manny.
But we're here. I think you're going with this one.
Oh, with that boat.
No, not this one.
That one, the yellow one, the taxi boat.
I think so.
Okay.
My goodness, it's so small.
So that is the reason why we don't left them behind. Because we don't know where they're going. Are you 100% sure that we're here?
Yep. I've been living here since 2008, so I know where the places
So
are.
you're from original here?
Yeah, in a smaller town
Yeah.
in North Greenland. Since
Yeah.
2008, I've been living here.
Is it good here?
Sometimes.
Sometimes good, sometimes not.
Sometimes boring, but that's where all my family is.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they're here. Do you watch on YouTube?
YouTube, yeah.
Here's my channel. Just type the Alfred Watermax. Yeah, it's my YouTube channel.
That's a cool look. It's your logo.
Yeah, it's my logo.
Damn.
I love collecting motorcycle, and my boss love collecting sports bike. Sports car.
I'll
Sports car.
subscribe.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Let's go, King.
Waterman. Who's paying with?
The big boss. We're going to have a boat ride again. See the yellow taxi boat? That's where we're going. Bye, man. Another yellow boat for us. Water taxi boat. Next time we go back with the yellow submarine. Thank you. Since naiwan kami ng eroplano, magbabangka na lang kami.
Good afternoon.
Hi guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to our yellow submarine.
Yellow taxi. Guys, we are here now. Charot, charot.
Here, what's what you call that?
The piercing.
Is it hurt?
No.
Oh.
No. Where are you guys from?
We're from Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, Manny Pacquiao.
Yay! Let's go, Manny! I have a tip for you. You go to Bubble Tea House. You know the Bubble Tea House? It's so delicious. Yeah, you try the sinigang. When you go there, you order sinigang na hipon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Very nice. Are we going to see a whale?
Maybe.
Maybe,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, we're
Let's see.
We have a toilet downstairs.
Toilet, okay.
You're more than welcome to use it.
That's one I need.
Some coffee and hot water for tea and hot cocoa. You're more than welcome to take.
Okay,
We also have the biscuits. You're also more than welcome to take.
okay. Oh, I think we're leaving now. Oh, you're the captain.
The co-captain.
Co-captain, okay.
This is where we are right now.
Yeah, we see it.
There is a waterfall over here, which we're gonna go check out.
Waterfall, wow, okay.
And we're gonna go around the island. They saw a whale over here.
Ooh. I think this will be the highlight of our tour.
For today.
Yes, for today, because our plane did not fly today. We're going to Elolisat. Hi, Captain.
Hi, Captain.
What's your name? My name is Alfred. This is Ella,
Hi.
my partner, my one and only. And who's asking?
The captain is my cousin. Wow.
Oh, we called it Insan. It's our language. The cousin is Insan. The Filipino culture, when you call him Insan, they will laugh. And then they say, oh, you know how to speak our language. What's up, mga Insan? Just like that.
We are gonna go the second largest fjord system in the whole world.
Okay.
It's about 2,000 square kilometers. The second largest fjord system in the whole world.
Okay.
There is a strong current along the coast and all the way up here. So there might be a little wave, but as soon as we go further in, it's very, very calm.
Okay. Where's the Ilunisan?
It's up here.
It's there.
Yeah.
Okay, can you take us there? We just missed our plane, you know?
Yeah, it's,
I told you, Insan can take us there. Let's go there, Insan. Come on. I told you, you just book the boat, not the plane. It's more faster. Hey, largest lake in the world. Okay, blue house for police or military, the yellow house for the doctors or nurses. Pag maraming ibon, may whale. Whoa! I have a question. You experience sweating?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Now?
no.
No. On your life, do you experience?
Yeah.
You experience?
Yeah.
I think people here did not experience sweating.
In summer, it's not cold.
What month is that? June. Pumunta ako dito para ma-experience yung lamig na yun. I wanna go out. Let's go outside.
About in 4 minutes, we are in the water.
Okay. I will be there in 4 minutes. Hey, let's go! Woohoo! Hey! Ang saya dito! 1, 2, 3! Woo! Ganda! Parang nakikita ko doon! Andito kami ngayon sa water taxi ng Greenland, the best!
The best.
Woohoo! It's so cold! Yes, sir! Ang ganda mo, Greenland! Woo!
Nakaka-breathe yung lamig niya sa tenga.
Ang sarap dito, oh. Ang sarap dito, oh. And we're now going to see the falls. Ayan na yung falls! Woohoo! Ganda! It's beautiful!
It's beautiful! It's beautiful!
Okay!
Panalo na!
amazing!
May profile picture na! Mag-video na naman ako!
Woohoo! This is worth it! Grabe!
Greenland! The best!
Bye waterfalls! The best waterfalls! Grabe! Ganda! Look at that glacier! Melting glacier pala yan, kaya may waterfalls. Ganda! Bye glacier! The best, Insan! Thank you for bringing us here.
Thank you for choosing us.
Thank you. Thank you, Insan. Thank you. Hindi na ako makapagsalita ng maayos, naninigas na yung mga pisngi ko. Here's the coffee. How to dispense this? Okay. Thank you, Pipa. From now on, I have Insan here at Greenland and Nuuk. Insan Pipa and Insan... What's your name again?
Manashe.
It's hard to pronounce your name, man. Manashe. Manarshi. 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 Did I say it right? Manarshi. I'm Alfred.
Alfred.
You also hard to pronounce my name. The best. This is the best day. Do you watch YouTube?
Sometimes.
If you have time, you can search this name.
Yeah.
TikTok.
Anywhere. I'm everywhere. It's a gift to you. It's a sticker for you. That's my last piece. Here's my TikTok. Oh, you follow me already. I want to follow you, but I don't have a signal now. Wow. Yo, no. Let's go. Very good, Insan. Our next destination is we're going to hunt the whales. Last night we hunt the aurora. Maybe we will see a whale now. Oh, there's a whale. Let's go. Let's go outside.
Let's go outside, Dad!
Can we go outside? Come on.
There's a whale, there's a way.
Yeah! Yay! Wow! Yun, oh. Yun na, lapit na namin. Wow! Ang laki! Oh! Where's the tail? Yes! Grabe yun, ang lapit natin ah. Wow, it's worth it. What can you say about the whale?
Ganda.
Worth it talaga, no? Grabe. We're going to wait for 5 minutes until the whale will come out. Oh, yun, nabulo na na. Uy, lulubog ulit yan. Ayan, no? Wow! Grabe yun, no? Wala, nasa ilalim na ulit yan. Mabilis lang siya lumabas. At least dito, di tayo nabigo dito sa whale, no? Paalis na kami at bye-bye muna Sarah for now.
Let's go!
Yay! Sarap! Tara, let's go na! Grabe! Na-experience na natin yung dito sa Nuuk, Greenland at napakagandang experience kasi nasubukan natin ng waterfalls. Hindi lang yung waterfalls, we also tried to see the whale at napakaganda, ang laki. Tapos we also see the glacier. It's so nice. It's worth it. Even though na-delay kami, na-cancel yung flight namin, we always try to find positive ways to make us feel more happier. So again, gusto kong i-send sa inyo yung message na to. na even though there's bad things happen, you just need to always find something na magpapasaya sa'yo. Hindi natin ubusin yung panahon natin para magmukmuk na lang, para isipin yung problema. Kung hindi natin ginawa ito, hindi tayo nag-book, wala. Hindi natin na-experience itong ganito kagandang experience na actually dito lang namin sa Nuuk na experience. It's our first time na makakita ng ganun kagandang waterfalls with the glacier, and the waterfalls is made in glacier. Grabe. Tapos, yung mga glacier, ang ganda ng itsura niya. Parang Alaska ang dating. So, ganun kaganda yung lugar. Comment ko lang, wala akong masyadong nakikita mga puno dito. Maybe dahil sa klima nila na kapag nag-winter, talagang nag-yellow to eh. Paano naman makakalaki, diba? Kung mayroon man siguro, baka pine trees lang. Pero as of the moment, wala pa rin ako nakikita ng mga puno dito sa Greenland. Siguro sa ibang places dito meron. In Nuuk, wala pa ako nakita. Sa animals naman, to whale. Nakakita tayo ng whale. Tapos sa labas, wala akong masyado rin nakikita na animals na pakalat-kalat. Malinis yung lugar. Konti lang yung tao. I think it's very progressive tong lugar na to. Sabi ng isang bayan natin na kausap natin na 13 years na siya dito. Noong dumating daw sila dito, walang sasakyan. At imagine nyo, wala pong crime din dito. So ang ganda ng experience namin dito sa Nuuk. Mamaya siguro may experience po tayo na magagandang bagay dito sa Nuuk. So huwag po kayo bibitiw, samahan nyo kami. At kung wala naman, siguro ito na yung ending ng vlog natin. For me, ito yung highlights ng tour namin. Parang lahat ng pagod ko from Manila to Dubai to Copenhagen, Copenhagen to Nuuk. Parang lahat yun, ito, wala na. Wala nang pagod. Na-replace natin ng magandang mga alaala at saka experience dito. Worth it. Ganda. Oh, daming ibon. Wow. Daming ibon, oh. Okay guys, welcome back to Nuuk. Let's give us a round of applause para sa ating team captain, boat captain. Thank you, Insan. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Insan.
Bye.
We really enjoy. I will miss you, buddy.
Me too.
Keep in touch on TikTok.
Yeah.
Very good, Peppa. Thank you so much, Peppa and Insan.
May bagong kaibigan na.
Yeah. Yun, ang gandang experience. Grabe. Parang masaya tayo yung naiwan ng eroplano. Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Oo.
Ako din nag-enjoy ako. Let's go back to Bubble Tea Shop. After natin sa Yellow Boat, dito naman tayo sa Yellow Taxi.
At saka yellow jacket.
Alam mo, sulit yung 2 hours, no? Ang bilis na tapos ang lahat ng eksena natin. Paborito ko yung whale, tapos yung glacier, tapos yung waterfalls, top best. Yung tatlong yun. Tapos na, okay na. Wala na yung pagod ko ng tatlong sakay ng eroplano. Dapat sa pupuntahan natin, merong ulit ganun. Ang bait nung dalawang nagtutour sa atin kasi jolly din sila eh. Sinimulan kasi ng taxi driver na jolly. Tapos napunta tayo kay King. Si King, oh. Hi, King. Alam nyo ba guys, yung sikat na vlogger ng kotse, si Angie King, andito. Ayun no, si Angie tsaka si King. Yan yung tunay na pangalan nila yun.
Combination.
Combination din pala, no? There, see that? It's a bubble tea. There you go. Okay, they're here now. Thank you. What's that?
Whale.
Whale skin.
Kanina lang pinapanood natin yung whale. Ngayon, kakainin na natin siya. A real whale? Yeah. We have fruits.
Ang saya today.
I'm happy you're happy. For me, Mami, seeing you happy is priceless. Yan yung binayaran natin eh.
Yeah, of course.
Ay, naka. Ang ganda dito.
Ay, parang hindi po ata kayo pwede.
Bawal ako dyan? Siya lang ba?
Opo.
Bakit bawal ako?
Ganun po talaga.
Grabe naman yun. Bira, akala ko follower ko kayo, tapos bakit siya na pwede? Ako yung bawal.
Some beer.
Ayan! Yan, nagkakasundo tayo dyan, kabayan.
Anything na drinks. Meron akong ano doon.
Think-
Whiskey or vodka.
Kung ano iniinom mo, bro.
Okay.
Para maging ganyan yung katawan ko, okay na ako, pare. Alam ko na ginagawa doon kung bakit binawal ako. May inaalok yan na bag, sapatos, o ano man. Thank you, brothers. May pa-vodka pa si kabayan natin. Sino minom ng vodka? Wala. Wala. Hi guys, magandang araw. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Nuuk, Greenland. Masaya tayo ngayon dahil na-experience natin ang nagagandang lugar dito. Nasubukan natin ng glacier, whale, waterfalls. Ngayon naman guys ay we're going to celebrate. Malapit na ang aking caravan, 2 days na lang. Lilipas na naman yan, sabi nga nila. Lilipas din yan. Sa makikita mo doon guys, yun, nakita mo yun? Yung parang maliit na nakatayo na statue na yun. Sabi nila dito, yun daw yung nakatagpo ng lugar na ito na Nuuk. Speaking of, dahil may nakatagpo ng lugar na Nuuk, yung istorya ng restaurant na ito, this is a Filipino cuisine na kung saan mas kilala dito sa Greenland na bubble tea house ay pagmamay-ari ng isang kababayan natin na Pilipino from Pampanga at Cabanatuan. Shoutout sa mga taga Pampanga at Cabanatuan. Meron tayong Filipino pride dito sa lugar na ito at masasabi ko naman guys, nung nakakwentuhan ko sila, na-overwhelm ako guys kasi bukod sa nanonood sila sa atin dahil meron silang napakagandang istorya nung pinakinggan ko yung kanilang mga kwento sa atin. Indirectly, but it felt good dahil marami pala silang mga Pilipino na natulungan na dito mag-migrate at magkaroon ng hanap buhay na marangal. Dito yan mismo sa Greenland. Sa kasalukuyan ay merong 600 population Filipino people ang sabi dito lang mismo sa Nuuk. At yung iba naman ay sa ibang isla pa. Ang sabi nila dito, kalahati po ng 600 na yon ay tinulungan ng mag-asawang may-ari nitong bubble tea house na ito, which is ito yung kanilang munting negosyo rito at sa Pampanga at dito pa sa summer here ay marami rin silang mga negosyo. Ako naman guys, this video is not paid, just to clear something. Hindi po ako binayaran to do this vlog. Natutuwa lang po ako dahil yung kanilang malinis na intensyon para tulungan ng mga kababayan natin, talagang marangal na negosyo at tinayo nila itong negosyong ito hindi dahil sa gusto nila talagang kumita ng pera kasi iba pa yung mga businesses nila, no? It just happened guys na follower pala natin yung owner nito. Masaya ako dahil or somehow na-inspired din daw pala natin sila. At ngayon guys, matitikman natin yung kanilang mga ipin-repair na pagkain. Hindi ko alam kung alam nilang birthday ko ba or what kasi they prepare for us. Sabi nga natin, yung mga kasama natin na nakasama lang natin sa tour ay binigyan nila ng libre. Ngayon, may voucher naman kami from the airport. So, yun naman ay magiging silbing bayad na rin namin sa kanila. Hanggat maaari, ayoko din po, mga followers ko, ayoko din po na kapag yung kabaitan nila ay sinasamantala ko. Ayoko. Hanggat maaari, magbabayad tayo. Ako, nagpapasalamat na lang ako dahil nag-follow sila, nag-subscribe sila. Masaya na ako doon. And I don't expect anything na meron pa palang mga ganyan na opportunity na yun nga, may mga taong mabubuti ang kalooban na tumutulong sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Greenland. Na-interview pa daw sila sa media, I don't know kung ano pang mga kwento nila. So marami pa silang nasabi sa akin. Hindi ko na kayang isa-isahin lahat yon. Ito lang yung mga na-appreciate ko, natandaan ko. At ako naman ay masaya ako dahil naging parte pala ako ng ito, may promote ko lang yung kanilang munting negosyo dito sa Greenland. At sana makatulong din at lalo pa nilang matulungan ng mga Pilipino dito na makakuha ng trabaho at tirahan, marangal na hanap buhay dito sa lugar na to. So kung pupunta ka ng Greenland guys, kung ikaw ay Pilipino, pupunta ka ng Greenland, pumunta ka dito sa bubble tea house dahil yung may-ari nito guys, sobrang bait. They will welcome you. They will treat you as one of their family members kasi ganun ang ginawa nila sa akin at hindi lang sa akin, ganoon din ang ginawa nila sa mga kababayan natin na pumupunta dito. But anyway, so yun, matitikman natin pa mga food na ipinirefer nila. Meron daw reindeer na inihanda para sa atin at balyena na kung saan yun yung pinapanood natin kanina sa dagat. Let's go inside. One thing na gustuhan ko rito nung nag-CR ako is ang ganda ng CR nila dito. Kaya doon nila in-start to dahil they wanted na yung mga kumakain na Pilipino dito magkaroon ng komportabling kainan. Kasi dati nakatayo-tayo lang daw sila dito yung mga kababayan natin. Ngayon mayroon na silang komportabling upuan. Ayan na Yun reindeer napilayan na si Santa Claus niyan. Si Rudolph. Keri-keri. Ang sarap naman ang kari-kari nila. Wow. Napaka-special naman ang inihanda nila, boss nila.
It's your birthday.
Ganun? Talaga yun? Oo, alam nila?
Oo. Nagpa-set up ko sa nila.
Uy! Pag-ibig mo sila nakilala, ano ka ba? Iyon, sarap! Talaga naman. Talaga namang napakadami niyo pong inihanda. Ano ba na? Madam, sobra-sobra na po yan. Ang usapan natin, dear lang, bakit may balya na dito? Whale ba talaga to?
Opo.
Wow! Medyo i-tour ko lang kayo guys dito sa kanilang shop. So ito, sobrang simple lang. Ito guys yung kanilang store. Ito yung mga menu na you can order here. Super family box. Ano ba to? Salon?
Sa salon, yes.
Ah, salon pala ito. Dito pala may kainan, may salon pa sila. Sa mga kababayan natin na gusto magpa-beauty habang dito sa Greenland, di ba? Pwede kayong mag-salon pala dito. Para kang Reyna at Hari dyan, pag upo ka dyan. Meron din sila yatang massage. Kasi may massage sila dito. Ayos dito mga pre.
Dati po, bubble tea lang nila namin.
Ngayon,
Dalawa na po yung branch namin. Grab and go, tsaka bubble tea.
tapos yung salon ma'am,
Bukas pa rin po siya.
ang galing no?
Practical lang talaga.
Napakasipag niyo po.
Simple lang po yung
Grabe.
dito sa Greenland.
Brother, napakasipag niyo. Yayaman po kayo ng gusto niya.
Someday,
Grabe.
baka maging katulad ni Sarah, no?
Ay!
My friend din.
Nalabas na ako dito. Talaga naman! Wow! Yun o! Yun o! Thank you, Bubble Tea House! Thank you! Thank you, guys! Thank you! Thank you!
3, 2, 1.
Thank you po! Salamat! Grabe, napaka-special ko naman sa inyo.
Birthday.
Kuya, thank you. Thank you so much. Buti nakasalamin ako, kundi nakita niyo yung pag-iyak ko doon.
We have the reindeer, and then we have potato. We have the Greenlandic shrimp.
Yes.
Greenlandic fish and salmon. Greenlandic salmon is from Kapisislit. Everything here is native, and we have the whale.
So that's real whale.
Yes,
It's a real whale. Wow.
Yes, this one is reindeer.
Okay.
Kain na na.
Yes, kain na na. Nakaka-overwhelm naman yan. Sarap naman sa pakiramdam. Yan, sarap. Kailangan po ba yung brown sauce?
Opo.
Mami, pinagsisilbihan ako ni madam. Nakakahiya naman.
Po kayo dito. Asa na ang aking asawa?
Yung asawa mong chef, nagluluto yun eh. Reindeer muna ako habang mainit. Mainit pa oh. Sarap. Sarap ng reindeer, mami. Iba yung lasa, no? Sarap. Ganito pala lasa ng reindeer. First time po nakatikim ng reindeer.
Masarap din po yung kare-kare.
Kayo po, nakatikim na kayo ng reindeer?
Never. First time lang. First time.
Wow, first time nyo din po pala. Sarap.
Wala nang sasakyan si Santa Claus.
Naka-jeep na daw eh.
Harap po.
Ang sarap po ng reindeer.
So good.
Naging tao po ako ngayong araw. Pero yung whale, masarap ba yung whale? Hindi pa ako nakatikim nun eh.
Uy, mamantika siya. Ganun talaga.
Patikim ako.
Sino, pagkagat mo palang mamantika na.
Ganyan pala yan. Mataba. Ang kapal ng skin ng whale, no? Ayun oh, guys, oh, whale, oh. Ito pala yun, oh. Sliced na naman
Oh,
ito.
how? Delicacy nila.
Matututunan niya sa mga inugutan niya sa Torres.
Oh, okay.
First time na nabigyan ako ng birthday cake actually. Yeah.
Thank you for the
Thank you.
Ang sarap po. Kain na rin po kayo.
Kain po tayo, sabayan niyo po kami. Alam mo ba, Uncle, ikaw ang unang-unang nagregalo sa akin ng cake na may birthday. We don't really celebrate birthday. Kain tayo ng whale. Bro, bubuksan ko na yung regalo mo. Sanay ako bro ng tinutunggain, tapos kung ano yung matira. No, di ba tinutungga lang?
Yung tatlo yun, ah.
Tapos mamaya sumasaya na si Ella ng sisiwit. When we go to Atok, dadaling kita sa cherry blossom doon.
Yun, yung totoo.
Totoong cherry blossom yon for our success.
Pwede tayo mag-change depende lang ngayon sa kung ano yung cheers.
Sarap. Ayos.
Sarap.